Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC Maths Textbook Exercise 1.5, question number 1. Using the function f1g given below, find fog and goof. Check whether fog equal goof. Now first question, f of x equal to x minus 6, g of x equal to x square. Let us do question number 1. F of x is given x minus 6 and g of x equal x square. Let us find fog x, which means f of g of x. Here, which is equal f of g of x is x square, then which substitute in f of x, that is x square minus 6. Now we'll do go of x, that is go of x means g of f of x. Here g right as it is, f of x is x minus 6, but g is x square, so we have to write minus x square here, which is equal expanding x square minus 12x plus 36. Here let us 1, let it be 2. From 1 and 2, 1 and 2, we can say fog x is not equal to goof x. Question number second, given function f of x equal 2 over x, g of x is 2x square minus 1. F of x equal 2 over x, g of x equal 2x square minus 1. Now let us find fog x, means fog x equal f of g of x, that is f of g of x is 2x square minus 1, then which is further applying for function f, x is 2 over x, 2 over 2x square minus 1. Let 1 now go of x equal g of g of f of x, which is equal, that is g of f of x is 2 over x. Now substitute for g is 2 into x is 2 over x, that is square, minus 1, which is equal 2 into 4 over x square minus 1, which is equal 8 over x square minus 1, 2. So from 1 and 2, 1 and 2, fog x is not equal gof x. Question number 3rd. F of x equal x plus 6 over 3 and g of x equal 3 minus x. Now fog x equal f of g of x, that is f of g of x is 3 minus x, then f is x plus 6 over 3, that is 3 minus x instead of x plus 6 over 3, which is equal x plus 3 over 3. Let it be 1. Then go for x, g of f of x, therefore which is equal g of f of x, we have x plus 6 over 3, which is equal 3, g of x is 3 minus x, 3 over 3 minus x plus 6 over 3. Now which is by simplifying 3 3s are 9 minus x minus 6 because minus is multiplied inside over 3, which is equal 3 minus x over 3. Here let it be 2. From 1 and 2 we can say fog x is not equal gof x. Question number 4th. F of x equal 3 plus x and g of x x minus 4. Let us apply. First fog x equal f of g of x. First f, g of x is x minus 4. Then substitute function f, that is 3 plus x is x minus 4, which is equal x minus 1. Then go x equal g of f of x. G of f of x is 3 plus x. Now substitute g of x, that is 3 plus x minus 4, because g of x is x minus 4, which is equal x minus 1. Here from 1 and 2 we can say fog x is equal gof x. Now question number fifth one, f of x equal 4x squared minus 1 and g of x equal 1 plus x. Now first fog is f of g of x. Now f of g of x is 1 plus x. Now substitute f of x, that is 4x squared minus 1. So 4 into 1 plus x whole square, because x is 1 plus x, minus 1, which is by expanding you get 4 into 1 square plus 2ab, that is 2x plus x square minus 1. Further equal 4 into 1 is 4 minus 8x plus 4x square minus 1, which is equal 4x square minus 8x. 4 minus 1 is plus 3. Let it 1. Then go of x equal g of f of x is 4x square minus 1, which is g function is 1 plus x. Therefore 1 plus 4x square minus 1, which is equal 4x square. From 1 and 2, we can say fog x is not equal go of x. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.